Monique from Beads and Basics. Today I'm going to show you what's in our jewelry starter kit if you want to start making jewelry, and I'll show you loads of designs that you can make with this kit. This is our complete jewelry starter kit. Everything you need if you want to get started with making your own jewelry. There's all different kinds of basics, thread, beads, everything you need to start making your own designs and learn the basic techniques of jewelry making. The fun thing about jewelry making is that there are endless designs and beads to work with, but this can also be a bit tricky in the beginning because maybe you're not exactly sure what you need. So that's why we made this starter kit, and we also made some examples to show you what you can actually make with it. For every technique, we have a very easy step-by-step video tutorials on our web shop, so even if you never held a bead in your hand, you'll be able to make some really cool stuff with this jewelry kit. These are some different bracelets that we made. This is a basic elastic cord bracelet with seed beads and this cute charm. This is a bracelet we made using macrame cord. You have black and white cord in your kit. You can use different connectors in your macrame bracelets, or you can make them yourself like we did here using a headpin and some beads that you also find in your kit. The macrame bracelet is finished off with a sliding knot, and we have a very handy video tutorial how to do that on our web shop. Another way to make a sliding knot is using this elastic. Very handy because like this your bracelets always fit and there's enough material in your kit to make at least 3 different ones. Also included is a ball chain and a 4mm nickel-free jewelry chain. You can use this to make bracelets, ankle bracelets, necklaces. The chain is also used when finishing off your jewelry, so like this it's adjustable in size, very handy. I love working with ball chain because it's so diverse. You get these end caps in your kit, and of course there's also lobster clasp to finish off your jewelry. You can use the ball chain for bracelets, and if you make it a little bit longer, it's also very cool as a wrap bracelet. Use the chain as a base for your bracelets or ankle bracelets and add one of the nice charms that you find in your kit. You can also use the chain when finishing off your jewelry, like here, and like this it's adjustable in size and always fits. These are some examples of necklaces we made with the materials in your kit. This is a necklace made with the chain, a bit the same as the bracelet I showed you earlier. You can use the coin charms, but there's also really cute star charms in your kit. Or you can add these cowrie shells, just as you like. There's also a nylon thread in your kit that you can use for stringing on seed beads. Here I made the rice pattern with the black and white. You can add coins, other charms, just one of the basics for making necklaces. And this is the wrap bracelet that I showed you earlier with the ball chain, which is also wearable as a necklace. If you want to start making earrings, there's 5 pairs of nickel-free earring hooks in your kit. We made these with the cowrie shells. You can add some charms if you want to. Also just star charms to give that minimal look that's hot at the moment. And this is perfect if you're a bit like me and tend to lose things. We have these transparent earring bags that you can use so you don't lose your earrings. Besides the materials, we also included this very handy bead board. There are 3 rows that you can use to plan out your designs and lay down your beads. There's sizes, so you have the right size for your designs. For example, if your wrist size is 18mm, then you divide that by 2, start at 0 and work both ways to the 9. So this is just very handy. There's also lots of small areas where you can put your beads, and it's also nice if you're working on a design and maybe want to leave it for later to keep everything in one place. These pliers you can use for almost everything. There's a small cutting piece here. You can use it to make eyes in your headbands, attach clasp, attach charms, just one of the basic pliers that you'll be using regularly when making jewelry. We kept the colors in the starting kit pretty basic. It's mostly our most popular items in the web shop, silver, black and white, so you can combine it with everything. If you want to add some more color, maybe some different charms to really make your own designs, there's loads of cool materials that you can choose from in our web shop, and you can start designing your own jewelry. If you want to get started, you can buy this kit in our web shop, www.beadsandbasics.com. You get a nice discount and you can start making your jewelry right away.